What is up, guys? Hope you're doing well. So today on the channel we're installing the brand new Minn Kota onboard battery charger. Here it is right here. Just took it out of the box. So to give you a quick rundown, this is what we'll plug into the extension cord, and right over here is where we're going to connect our batteries. So Minn Kota makes really good products. Everything on them is really clean. They're nice and labeled. So battery 1, battery 2, battery 3, and also these wires have fuse holders in them, so that makes it nice. So there's a 30 amp in each one of these fuse holders. Of course, red is positive, black is negative if you're brand new to the battery world. We're gonna install this guy right down here on the floor, so come along with us and I'm gonna teach you how to install the battery charger. Let's go. To do this job properly, here's exactly what you need. You need an adjustable wrench, you're gonna need some stainless steel washers, you're gonna need some stainless steel screws. I'm using a Phillips head, so I need a Phillips screwdriver. I'm using the size number 2, and also you need a drill, and I'm using a 1/8 inch size drill bit to give us some nice pilot holes. So let's get on into this install. Alright guys, the very first part to this job is figuring out exactly where we want to mount our charger. So I'm mounting mine right here directly to the floor. If I wanted to, I could put it on the wall over there, but guys, these things weigh a ton. So it's been, in my experience, if you can mount them directly to the floor, that is the way to do it. And make that the wall your second option, but this is definitely the way to go. So what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna get a Sharpie, and I'm gonna mark all 4 of these little cutouts for my screws. So we're gonna drill some holes. All right guys, I got my charger exactly where I want it. So next, get my Sharpie. I'm gonna mark me some holes for our screws. All right, next step is to drill. All right, you wanna move your battery charger out of the way, and you want to start drilling. So got 4 holes to drill. A nice clean cut. One of the big reasons I use stainless is it doesn't corrode, and this boat is going to see a lot of salt water, so we don't want any kind of corrosion. And we're going to start these 2. We're not going to get them super tight just yet. We'll back off that and slide this charger back just a little bit, right there. I got 2 more screws. After you get the other one up there in place and the other hole lines up, you can go ahead and come back and tighten these guys. Alright, 1 more screw. Remember, the rubber side goes facing down, so it grips the charger. Last one. Alright, that guy is screwed down. It's not going anywhere, so the next step is to connect the leads to our batteries. Alright, so the next step to this is connecting the battery leads. So red is positive, black is going to be negative. And as far as like the Minn Kota itself, you can hook number 2 up to here, number 3, number 1. It's however you want to do it. All right, guys, that is it. We are ready to be charged. All the wires are hooked up. I just want to stress one more time, red is positive, black is negative. Make sure you get your connections hooked up right. And just to give you one more idea in case you want to see the manual, here's our leads, 1, 2, 3. So 1 wire, 2 wire, and 3 wire. Now let's plug it into the wall. All right, she is plugged in. No smoke's a good thing. So you're gonna get some yellow lights for a second. I believe the manual said 4 seconds, but it is charging. So these batteries are brand new. They have a little bit of a charge on them, but probably 3 or 4 hours, I imagine they'll be charged up and good to go. All right, guys, that is it. She is working. She is charging the batteries. We are good to go. So tomorrow, I'm gonna install the brand new Garmin trolling motor. That's gonna be a cool new feature to the boat I'm excited about. And eventually I'm gonna put me a plug right about in here just so I don't have to open this hatch every time I wanna charge my batteries. But hey, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it helps you on your install. If you're new to my channel and love this content, I definitely invite you to subscribe. Got a lot of stuff on here that'll help you out, plus a lot of cool fishing videos. Y'all keep God first in your life. We'll see you in another video.